Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we will just revise quadratic equation. Okay, so now I am referring R.S. Agarwal book. So this is exercise question. So first we will start from the beginning. Which of the following are quadratic equation in X? So if you want to find out which of the following is a quadratic equation, first you should know what is a quadratic equation. So you know there are different equation, linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, all these you might have learnt. So now quadratic equation will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers. Okay, so now the given question should be of this form, ax square plus bx plus c. So now where children will make mistake is they will get confused with the real numbers and with the variables. So now let's see how to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. So now if you see in the first question, x square minus x plus 3. So now this is a quadratic equation. See, x square minus x plus 3. If I write now, this is equal to 0. This is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c, where a will be equal to 1, b is minus 1, c is 3. In class 9th you might have learnt this quadratic equation and to find out what is a, b and c. And now when you see the second question, so now the second question is 2x square plus 5 by 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So here also a is 2, b is plus 5 by 2 and c is root 3. So all a, b, c are real numbers. So first one is also a quadratic equation, second one is also a quadratic equation. So now let's see the third question. So now when you see the third question here is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Okay, see here what children will make a mistake is as soon as they see an irrational number they say it is not a quadratic equation. Because last year you might have learnt about a polynomial. What is a polynomial? When the variable should not have the power. So there now root 2 is a real. So now a is root 2, b is 7 and c is 5 root 2. So all the three are real numbers. Children will make mistake only by seeing this irrational number they will start writing it's not a quadratic polynomial. So please don't do that. Okay, now next question we will see. Now fourth one when you see this is also a quadratic equation, 1 by 3x square plus 1 by 5x minus 2. So a is 1 by 3, b is 1 by 5, c is minus 2. What is a real number? A real number means it can be a fraction, it can be a rational number, it can be an irrational number, it can be a negative integer, anything it can be. So even this is also a quadratic equation. Now we will see the next question. So next one is fifth one. Fifth one here it is x cube x square minus 3x minus root x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now you have to check. See here what they have given, x square minus 3x minus root x you have. So in this case, see now where is a root? Root is for the variable. When root is for the variable then this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, understood? Here you can have root 2. Even c also can be 5 root 2, but variables you should not have root. So now this is not a quadratic equation. Next we will see the sixth one. Sixth one is x minus 6 by x is equal to 3. So as soon as you see this question you will come to the conclusion here it will be taken x to the power of minus 1 and this is not a quadratic equation you will think, but children make mistake this way only. But here what you can do is first you can take the LCM, don't go to cross multiply this, that is wrong. So first you have to take LCM for this. Here you cannot cross multiply because you have a minus sign here. Okay, so now x, so this will be x square and here this will be minus 6 is equal to 3. Now here you can cross multiply because this is a common now, common, x is common here for both. So now here it will be x minus 3, x minus 6 is equal to 3x. Okay. X square minus 6 is equal to 3x. So this will be x square minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, where this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, by looking at the question itself, you cannot come to a conclusion, right? So always this will happen. Even in our day-to-day life also, we will start judging people by their looks. Then afterwards, after being with them, after understanding them, then only we will come to know what your thoughts were wrong when you see them, right? The same way here also, by looking into this, by seeing itself, you cannot come to a conclusion. You need to check. The next question, seventh question also, it is somewhat similar to this only. So here when you see seventh question, it is x plus 2 by x is equal to x square. So it is somewhat similar to the previous question. We will take LCM. So here it will be x square plus 2 is equal to x square. See, now when we cross multiply, it is x square plus 2 is equal to x cube. Now tell me whether this is a quadratic equation. No, it will not be a quadratic equation, because here you have the highest power as cube. It's a cubic equation. Cubic polynomial you have learned, no? Highest power is 3. So it is not a quadratic equation. Now next one we will see. This is the seventh question, and now we will see the eighth one. So eighth one here, it is x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 5. So now here when you take LCM, here it is x square, and here it will be x to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 5. So you will get x to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 5x square. Even this is also not a quadratic polynomial, because in a quadratic polynomial the highest power should be 2. Here it is x to the power of 4. So we call this as a biquadratic. Now next we will see the ninth one. So ninth one, here it is, by seeing itself we can say x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 8. Now what you will think? As soon as you see, you will think it is a cubic polynomial, right? Yes, of course it is a cubic polynomial, but both on left hand side and right hand side we have a cubic cube. Okay, so now we will check. So this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So this will be x cube plus 8, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. So it will be 3 into x square into 2 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square x into 2 is equal to x cube minus 8. So now x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 3 2s are 6x is equal to x cube minus 8. So x cube and x cube on both the sides you have, so you can cancel. 8 plus 8 minus 8 you cannot cancel because they are with an opposite sign. So we will write this in standard form. It will be 6x square plus 6x plus 8 minus 8, when it comes from the other side it becomes plus 8. So it will be 6x square plus 6x plus 16 is equal to 0. So now is this a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. So even if you see a cube, you cannot judge, right? You cannot say it's a cubic polynomial. So you have to solve it and then check. Then next comes 10th one. So now here 10th question is 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So now here it is more of multiplication. So we will just multiply 2x with this distributive law, already you have learnt. 3 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2. So here it will be 6x square plus 2 into 2 4x plus 9x plus 6 is equal to 6 remains here. X into x is x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay. Now here you get 6x square plus 9 plus 4 is 13x plus 6 is equal to 6x square. Here these two you can add. So it will be minus 3, 3 6 are 18, minus 18x plus 6 2s are 12. So now when you see left hand side, right hand side, both the sides you have x square and x square. And here you have 13x, this when it comes to the other side it becomes plus 18x, and plus 6 minus 12 is equal to 0. See, though you had your square and all, you cannot say it is a cubic. See, it got cancelled now, right? So now here it is 13 plus 18. So it is 31x, and here minus 6 is equal to 0. What type of equation? It's a linear equation. We cannot say it's a quadratic equation. Now last question, 11th question you have. It is x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 3. Okay. See, when you see here, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 2x plus 2 by x plus 3, right? Here when you see, x and x will get cancelled here. This will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 here, and here minus 2x minus 2 by x plus 3. So when you observe here, x square is nowhere getting cancelled, right? Here also you have x in the denominator. So now this is not a quadratic. Okay, this is also not a quadratic. Okay, children, understood here why it is not in? See, here you have in the denominator. Even when you simplify also, you will get this x. Okay, children, hope I have made you understand how to check whether the given equations are quadratic or not. Okay, so this is exercise 4a from R.S. Agarwal. This is from R.S. Agarwal textbook I have taken. So if you want more of revision classes, subscribe my channel, like it and share it with your friends so that it will be beneficial. Okay children, meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.